Are you wondering if the ELLIPAL hardware wallet supports USDT? You're not alone. In the fast-paced world of cryptocurrency, knowing which assets your chosen cold storage device supports is absolutely crucial. Nobody wants to invest in a top-tier security solution only to find out their favorite stablecoin isn't compatible. It's a question that comes up time and again, and for good reason. USDT, or Tether, is one of the most widely used stablecoins, playing a massive role in crypto trading and liquidity. So, for anyone serious about managing their digital assets, especially those looking for a secure, offline solution, this is a make-or-break feature. The good news, and let's get straight to it, is a resounding yes. ELLIPAL absolutely supports USDT. This isn't just a basic level of support either. ELLIPAL, particularly models like the Titan and Titan Mini, are designed to be comprehensive cold storage solutions, and that includes a wide array of tokens and cryptocurrencies. ELLIPAL proudly boasts support for over 10,000 coins and tokens across various blockchains. This extensive compatibility is a major selling point, making it a versatile choice for a diverse crypto portfolio. When it comes to stablecoins like USDT, the ELLIPAL wallet typically supports it across different networks where USDT is commonly issued, such as ERC20, Ethereum, TRC20, Tron, and potentially others. This means you have the flexibility to manage your USDT holdings regardless of the blockchain it resides on, directly from your secure hardware wallet. What makes ELLIPAL's support for USDT even more compelling is its core philosophy, air-gapped security. Unlike some hardware wallets that might require a USB or Bluetooth connection to a computer or mobile device for certain operations, ELLIPAL relies solely on QR codes for data transfer. This means your private keys, which control your USDT and other assets, never touch an online environment. This air-gapped approach drastically reduces the attack surface for hackers, offering a superior level of protection against remote attacks and malware. So, when you send USDT to your ELLIPAL or initiate a transaction from it, the critical signing process happens entirely offline on the device itself. You scan a QR code from the ELLIPAL app with your wallet, the wallet signs the transaction offline, and then you scan another QR code generated by the wallet back into the app. It's a meticulous, but incredibly secure, dance that ensures your stablecoins remain isolated from potential online threats. Furthermore, the ELLIPAL app, which pairs with your physical wallet for managing transactions and viewing your portfolio, seamlessly integrates USDT. You can easily see your balances, send and receive USDT, and even engage with other features like swapping or staking, if available for USDT on supported platforms, all within the secure ecosystem. For those who prioritize security without sacrificing broad asset support, ELLIPAL's inclusion of USDT is a significant advantage. It allows you to confidently hold a stable asset like Tether in a truly offline environment, mitigating risks associated with online exchanges and hot wallets. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.